welcome to my first YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showing you a tour of my bedroom, and this is how my bedroom looked like before. It was a whole mess, and so I wanted to change things up and just make sure it matches like the vibes I wanted. So I was looking at the neutral aesthetics on Pinterest and YouTube, and this is what I was going for. Or like most of my furniture are from Ikea and Amazon, which was easier for me, and maybe Marshalls in some part. So let's go. For this part, I have my Ikea table. This is where I keep my makeup products, my hair products, my jewelries are in this corner here. And then I have my water glass. This is so convenient for me. And then my kettle, because every time I wake up, I try to drink warm water in the morning. Very easy. Then I have my flower vase. It's empty now, but hopefully next time it wouldn't be. Then my Ikea mirror. This is so easy to set up. I set up my mirror and my desk myself, and it wasn't that hard. Then I have my pillow from Amazon, my chair, very cute and cozy, calm, from Amazon. So that's everything for this side. So for this part, my TV is from Costco. The vase is from Amazon. This is my Ikea dresser. Okay, this is from Estate. So beautiful. This is from Amazon. This is from Marshalls. And everything on top of the marble is from Amazon. And this is from Costco. And my LED lights, Amazon. So we're at my favorite part, my bed. This was inspired by 2 YouTube channels that I watched. And so everything on my bed, everything here is from Amazon. Yeah, that was like the easiest for me. I wanted it to be extremely fluffy and cozy. And so for the duvet cover, I used 2 duvet insert for this. It can be very heavy sometimes, but it works for me. Then this throw from Amazon, very soft. I got the art inspiration from this YouTube channel, and it's so perfect. My curtains are from Amazon. Like, I wanted something. I didn't want to do brown because I felt like I had too much already. Not like too much, it's just my bed that is brown, funny enough. But I wanted something different, so I went for this color that's so natural. And this is the game changer for me because it gave it the character that it needed. So it wasn't just so bland with just this. It brought it all together really perfectly. Everything in my room, I fixed up myself. My dad helped me also. So it wasn't that hard to put like this room together, and it saved me so much money in the long run. And everything I spent in total is up here. Yeah. So thank you for watching.